Alright, I have a quick itinerary change for Norwegian Cruise Lines, but this time it's not storm related, it's maintenance related. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, thought we'd get a quick cruise news video out to you guys this morning before we head down to the cruise port, because of course it is embarkation day and time to get on grander of the seas. But I have some information I want to share with you guys before we go. Alright, so the Norwegian Breakaway, scheduled to sail on November the 6th, is doing a repositioning cruise. She is moving from New York down to New Orleans. It's going to be a 14-night sailing, and she's going to be visiting different places like Aruba, Panama, Costa Rica, the Dominican Republic. But now, of the original 7 ports that were scheduled, 2 of those have been canceled, so it's now just down to 5 port stops. No alternate ports have been given. They've been moved from port days over to sea days. And the 2 ports that they have removed is Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic, and they have removed the stop in Cozumel, Mexico. Now, no exact explanation of why these changes were given, other than there is required maintenance that will require a reduction in speed. Now, that's something we've heard before. We've heard this, we got to reduce speed, we have required maintenance. And anytime we've heard this in the past, well, you guys know, it means something's going on with the engines. The engines require some type of maintenance, and they're going to perform that maintenance on this particular sailing, and that results in ports being missed. Norwegian Cruise Line is offering compensation for those 2 missed ports, and it should be about $150 per person in onboard credit. But they are not offering guests the opportunity to either cancel or to reschedule to a different sailing without stiff penalties. So if you're booked on this cruise, your really only option is to accept that they've cut 2 ports out, accept your $150 onboard credit, because like I said, if you tried to cancel or move to a different sailing, they are going to apply penalties and not offer any type of refund. So that is just something to keep in mind. So if you are booked on the Norwegian Breakaway for November the 6th, these changes are for you. You probably should have already gotten an email or will receive an email here very quickly letting you know of the upcoming changes, what your options are, which, like I said, is not a whole lot other than some onboard credit, which of course is better than nothing, because in the cruise contracts, the cruise lines don't have to offer any type of compensation other than returning, port fees, taxes, and any excursions paid through the cruise line. So at least Norwegian is offering something for these 2 missed ports. And that's going to be our cruise news for this morning. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and just let you know anytime we put out a new video, because it can always have some very important information, something you need to know for your upcoming cruise. Hope everyone out there has a really great week, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas here in about 5 hours.